are 2 weeks down the line and the hair, it's not pleasing, plus pia huku zimeanza kushikana.
What?
Girl,
I've been taking care of them, but the past 2 days sijakuwa take care of them. Guys,
What is it? Tell me. Please tell me.
niko na 2 piercings now. Alafu hii inasema peace. Peace. Lakini niko na
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
I want to undo this hair. It's currently 6:46, and then we're gonna do some Sasha locks. Easy. They are crochet here, so easy naweza zitumia, and then the next time masikio iko na muwasho kidogo. I think ni penye nimezifanya hivi. But yeah, mnaona zimeshikana. Mimi nimechoka, mimi nataka tu kuzikatakata. Si length iko sawa? Ama nikae nazo zikiwa zimekatwa for one day. Mimi kushikana, mimi sitengenezi hizi manywele tena. Zinakaa poa, lakini ikifika huku kwa kunini zinaanza kukudisappoint. Huku kwa ku-maintain, unakuwa busy kidogo hivi, unapata nywele ishashikana inakaa ugali. Actually, I really hope I'm not cutting my hair. How about tukae na hizi for a minute and then tutazifumua kesho, si ndio? Actually, I hope sijakata nywele. Cheki venye zinakaa. Alafu zinatoshana kweli? Siziko sawa. I have classes tomorrow. Niende nazo hivi ama nifumue tu? Zinakaa weird. Acha tufumue nywele.
The next day.
We are about to start braiding. My class yangu imebounce, so I just have to braid right now. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to count hizi, so that nijue nitatengeneza matuta ngapi, because I want to use all of them. 1 2 3 4 23 24 25 25 times 250. Zinaweza kuwa ziko same. Tumecount hizi. Let me see if these ones are the same. 25.
One eternity later.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah. So I need matuta 100 kwa kichwa. Hey! Just beat it. They are doing my I started braiding at 6. Okay, so it is 6:23. I think I started at 6:15. I was doing a short video showing these ones. So acha tuendelee. So this is how they look so far. Acha tuendelee tuone how far we're gonna go tonight. Damn. I'm done with these kapats. And it's currently 7:11. Nikonja. Guys, it's the next day and I want us to continue braiding, and it's quite early. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm not sure how much we can accomplish within that time, but I need entertainment. We're gonna be listening to some songs here. Wait, Jana, how long did we take to do this side? I don't remember. This is gonna be my breakfast. Some oats and a banana. 7:15. I'm done with ukumbele. It's 9:25.
I thought we
This is where we are.
Destroy injustices, man of the year.
It takes so much time kutengeneza hizi vitu. Next nataka sasa kuanza kuziweka. I think nitaanza na mbele pia. Nitaanza na mbele, si ndio? I need to first of all watch a tutorial of how they crochet and how they loop na kufunganisha, and then we do this. I'm targeting to do that in the next 2 hours because I have a lesson at 11 to 1. Will I really make it? I don't think I'll make it. Let me purpose to finish it in 1 hour. I have some antennae. I'm gonna purpose to finish it in the next 1 hour because kuna kwanga na hii principle fulani, time work extends to as much time as you have allocated it. I'm not remembering the name, but I know the principle. Yeah, so I learned, and Simnona, I've managed to do it. I've done it in the short form, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you how I'm going about it. So the guest girl comes in a kaivi I need kitu ninaweza kwa nina shoot na times. Inakaa hivyo, but nimeikata mara 2. So tunakaa hivi. So nachukua kiasi hivyo. And then nachukua nywele, alright? And then nachukua nywele. Kuna nywele mingi hapa hivyo. And then naweka ndani, okay? You see, like it's inside. Ala. See, you can see. Yeah. And then nachukua my crochet hook. Ninaingiza chini. Ninaitoa, inatoka your side. And then sasa unaona hii hook. Nakija naingiza nywele, nafunga hook. Okay, naingiza nywele, nafunga hook, natolea nywele chini, okay? And then naishikilia hivi. And then I pick the hair that nilikuwa nini hii ya Guess Girl. Okay? Okay, I can do that. Hivyo pekee nishikilie nywele, ama unaona kwa nywele yenye sasa inatoka kwa root ninaingiza crochet. Okay? And then hii yenye inaning'inia naingiza hivyo. Hivyo. Alafu natoa. So inakuwa ni kama imetengeneza kanota hapo hivyo. But still I'm gonna take the Guess Girl hair and then nitazungusha like. Okay, so the aim of all these is to wrap the hair, the extended hair, like so. Ikiwa loose, get that way. Hivyo. Fuck the club up! Fuck the club up! Fire! Simu ilisha storage. I have to go create some. So we are done with this side. I'll do the same on this other side. Because pia hapa I have like 58 minutes left of storage. Sijui mbona nakuanga tu hapo karibu na simu that much. Yeah, so even ndo zinakaa. We're gonna style them. Zinakaa weird. Ama niko sijajizoea nazo. So I don't even know like how long I usually take kujishuka, but I usually take a lot of time. Wow, nimejiuma. Au! Na niwaulize niaje ulimi na survivingi katikati ya meno. Awele siku nimejipata nimejiuma ulimi. Okay, na ukijiuma inakuanga uchungu teo. Lakini huku makai unajiumanga tu kila time. Let me finish up with this other side and then I'll show you guys. I apologize for the storage issues. I'm gonna fix that in the next 2 months, hopefully.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, I did it. I finished braiding the hair. I finished. So the only remaining thing ni kupaka mafuta and then styling them. So let's do that in a minute. I lost track of time. I don't remember nilimalizanga nini lini. Nilimaliza kushuka lini. Don't mind the time, guys. I hope you don't mind it. Alafu this is the first time nimeshuka nywele and ninasikia nimeshuka nywele like iko a bit tighter than the normal hair that I usually do. I can feel the grip, although I made sure sija gripisha sana. Actually, my face shape, I'm not sure if kuangusha nywele hivi is actually my kind of thing. Like I have to kuzishika ndo nikae vizuri. Like I have to do a style. Let me find one, then I shall be back. I just remembered that I used to have these favorite, but kuna yenye kwenye nimeona something like that. That doesn't look that bad, but okay, my point is there was this style that I used to rock back in first year. Like kila mtu alikuwa anajua ni dance. Like first year test kuna julikana kama dance. Nilikuwa naitwa Prudence. Like sikuwa nimeanza usanii. I wasn't msanii yet. Alright, so it was actually a pussycat. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. Let's see how I'm gonna pull that off. Dun 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 dun. Ah! Sindio? Acha tuzunguke muone. Muone vile tunakaa hivyo. Ow! Doesn't look bad though. Sindio? Ziko sawa, but shouldn't even be in that statement. Kisha, Letitia. So you get the point. Oh my days. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you so much for all that have subscribed. Actually, 82% of people who watch my videos haven't subscribed. So kindly, I would appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share. See you in the next one, guys. I love you so much. I'll need to find more nini. Ama we just do one moja yenye iko hii side inakaje. Let me show you. Kufunga side moja hivyo alafu inakaa weird, si ndio? Kitu ishanipea stress. Iko kako wapi? Hai? Where could it have gone? Anyway, guys, you get the gist. I think I came up with something. Let me show you. Okay, nimeweka my earrings and stuff, but I need to buy hair accessories. Like, I think these days ninaacha kukua minimalist when it comes to jewelry. I want like some pop of colors. Yeah, I came up with this hairstyle and it took me long enough to know that it can become like a complete video. So yeah, I can show you how I pulled these off, and maybe I can also come up with other hairstyles of how to do these nini, because I think zikikuwa hivyo at least hazitanisumbua. And guys, now do you see my face? My face sasa inakaa vizuri. Like si same na hii, like hii ya kuanguka hivi. Like this looks better. I love it. Yeah, guys, I love you so much. It has been fun hanging out with you. If you haven't subscribed, like, comment, subscribe, share with your family. Yeah, as I said, 82% haven't subscribed of most of my viewers, so kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. See you in the next one.